In this video, I'm going to show you how to format your book manuscript in Microsoft Word. Let's launch the Word app. At the top of this page, you will find some templates provided by Word. Click on More Templates. In the search bar, search for Manuscripts. A short story manuscript should appear on the display. You can use this template for formatting short stories, but if you are looking to format an entire book, then you need a different one. Close the app and launch the Google Chrome web browser. In the search bar, search for Free Book Template Ustatech. This is the website that we are looking for. The link to this website will also be attached to the description. Now, scroll down on the website. Here you will find a lot of book manuscripts. Click on the name of the manuscript that you like. An ad should appear. Close the ad. Scroll down and click on Download. In the pop-up, click on Accept to download. Verify the CAPTCHA and click on Download. Now, save the file. Close the browser. This is the zip file we just downloaded. Right-click on the file and click on Extract All. Now extract the file. Our files have been successfully extracted. Now open the Word file from here. In the top menu, click on Enable Editing. Now you can edit or change the template however you like. Let's format the template. The first thing you need to check is the page size. In the title bar, click on Layout. In the menu bar, click on Size. Now select a page you like. I have selected A4, so all the pages are now in A4 size. On the first page, you can add your name in place of the author's name. Let's scroll down. Double-click on the header section. In the menu bar, click on Page Numbers. In the drop-down menu, click on Format Page Number. In the number format section, you can change the format to normal numbers. Here you can see that the number has changed from Roman to English. Now, let's see the font. The official font for book publishing is either Times New Roman or Courier. So select all the pages by pressing Ctrl+A. In the menu bar, click on the Font option. Now search for Times New Roman by typing it. Select this font and press Enter. You need to keep the margin of the page to 1 inch, and the first word of every paragraph should be in a hanging indent. Select the whole document again and click on the Paragraph button. Change the alignment to either left or justified. Change the line spacing to double. And our work is done. In the title bar, click on View. In the menu bar, click on the navigation pane. Now you can find and review your manuscript using the titles in the navigation pane. You can change many more things, but that is left to your creativity. Following these steps, you can format your book manuscript in Microsoft Word.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.